Good morning. Got my brand new 2021 Street Glide Special Venom Green. Today we're gonna do a couple upgrades. Gonna put on a new seat. Oh yeah, self-explanatory. We're gonna do a new exhaust. S&S Sidewinder 2-in-1. Should give her a nice little growl. Here's the new seat. Thanks to LePera Customs. It looks gorgeous. Great job guys. Then we got the Vance and Hines limited edition American air cleaner. We're gonna be installing that today as well. And yeah, let's get started. Let's start by taking these bags off. Pretty easy. We just undo these right here. Still got the charger, the original paperwork. Oh, there's the extra key. And we're gonna close that, unlock that. And we're just gonna grab and lift it right off. Easy peasy. Don't mind those little bit of dishes over there. We're gonna just lay this in the hallway so it doesn't get no scratches or anything. Get it out of the way. And we're gonna do the same side. Same thing on this side. Oh, no shit. I was looking for that. Think we'll leave that out. And same thing. We're gonna undo these. Oh yeah, see, there's all the good stuff. Tells me how much money I still owe for this beast. She is a beauty though. I only got a chance to put about 400 miles on her so far, so she's really not even broken in yet. Ton of fun. I had got a 2018 breakout, and gotta say, I do enjoy the windshield and the cruise control and the stereo. All nice touches. Alright, lay that down. Man, what a beautiful color. Whew, I love it, love it. Alright, now we got that out of the way. Let's see, the seat is going to be the quickest, easiest to remove, so we'll get that out of the way. And that's that, nice and easy. We'll just put that back there. We're not gonna put the new seat on just yet. We'll wait till the end for that. Anybody looking for a brand new 22 Street Glide? 21, sorry guys, 21 Street Glide. Alright, and then let's see, let's work on. Shall we do the intake first? Sure, let's do the intake first. Let's see. We can take this off. Grab this. Harbor Freight kit, gotta say. I usually carry this in my 4x4 truck, and it's gotten me out of quite a few pickles. Great set.